Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable command prompt in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to HKey current user, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. And how do we go there? HKey current user, software, policies, Microsoft, and then click on Windows. Now, we'll have to create a key named system under Windows. So right click on Windows, select new key and name it system. Go to the system key and make sure that it's here. Then in the right pane, we will create a dword 32-bit entry named disable CMD. Right click new dword 32-bit entry named disable CMD. Double click on it, make sure that the value data is 0. If the value data is 0, then simply restart your computer, right click, sign out, restart your computer, and command prompt will be disabled. And if you wish to enable it again, then change this value to 1 and hit enter and command prompt will be enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.